Step-by-step guide for removing the air filter airbox. Remove the black plastic panels. Start by taking off the black plastic panels on top of the engine. These panels are covering the wipers and the windshield area. Step 2. Remove the zinc panels. Under the black plastic panels, you'll find some zinc panels. Carefully remove these as well. Step 3. Take off the wipers. Next, you need to remove the windshield wipers. This will give you full access to the air filter airbox. Step 4. Disconnect the car battery. For safety, it's a good idea to disconnect the car battery. This step will help prevent any electrical issues while you work. Step 5. Access the air filter box. Now that you've completed the previous steps, you can clearly see the air filter box. Step 6. Unscrew and open the airbox. Look for the screws holding the cover of the airbox in place. Unscrew them carefully, and then lift off the cover to access the dirty air filter. Step 7. Remove the dirty air filter. Once the cover's off, you can pull out the dirty air filter and replace it with a new one if needed. Now job is done. Reassemble everything by replacing the air filter, securing the airbox cover, reconnecting the car battery, reattaching the wipers and panels, and ensuring all parts are secure.